Back-to-school shopping usually means backpacks, notebooks and lunchboxes. But don't forget to add food safety to the list. Young children, especially those under age 5, are more likely to get seriously sick from foodborne illness. The U.S. Department of Agriculture is reminding parents, caregivers, and anyone packing school lunches to follow a few simple food safety steps. Here are USDA's top food safety tips for the school year. Keep cold foods cold. Use at least 2 cold sources, such as gel packs, frozen water bottles, or frozen juice boxes. Place them on top and bottom of perishable items like meat, poultry, and eggs. This helps keep food out of the danger zone, which is between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. In this range, bacteria can grow quickly and cause illness. Choose the right lunchbox. Use an insulated lunchbox. Paper bags are not a safe choice because they tear and leak as cold items thaw, which allows cold air to escape. Keep hot foods hot. For hot foods like soup or chili, use an insulated container. Fill it with boiling water and let it sit for a few minutes before adding food. Dump out the water, add the hot food, and keep the lid closed until lunchtime. Hot foods should stay at 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. And finally, clean and sanitize lunchboxes regularly.